running it down. Let me do this with once again.
You'll get used to it. What's this? Is this that dirty coat?
What's that?
What? I don't know what this is. That dirty coat.
Yeah.
Why is it hanging up there?
Shouldn't go.
If it's dirty, can it just go on the floor?
No, we'll put it on the floor. Trust them.
This is
Yeah,
dirty
blocks
as
on
well.
the floor like that.
This is dirty as well. Get your shoes off there.
Let's do it here.
Shoes go on the floor.
I don't want me to cap them. Put your shoes away.
But it's all right for everyone else's shoes to be out.
No,
but
no,
your
no.
shoes are
Put
special.
our shoes away. Put our shoes away. To the top of the
Well,
slipper space here.
oh, my friend.
Where's that cat? Where's Angel? Let me. That kitchen door, turn that off. Yeah, turn it off. To the kitchen door.